All right, everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Daniel Michael. Okay, this is the second video on your graphic design. All right, this is the second video on a graphic design. All right, if you want to learn how to design graphics, you want to learn how to design posters, you want to learn how to design flyers for yourself and for others, make sure you watch this video to end, because I'm going to be teaching you every single thing you need to know about birthday, about graphic design generally. All right, if you've not watched the first video, which is the introductory video, then you need to watch that video before you continue with this one for a better understanding. All right, you can check the description. I will leave the link to that video at the description so that you can be able to access that. All right, but then if you have watched the first video, then you are welcome to this particular video where I will be unveiling to you, we'll be having the practical, because in the first video we did more of introduction. I showed you all the icons, all the tools here and their functions. So right now we are going to go straight into our major work. All right, if you have watched that video, you'll find out that is here that we stopped. So we are going to continue from where we stopped. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to change this background. All right, let's change the background and continue our work. All right, all of this, we need to delete all of these things here. All right, delete, click on all of these things and delete. All right, delete, or we can just start afresh. Let's just start afresh. All right, sorry for that, can just start afresh. Delete this one, and then I've showed you how to appear here. Once you open your Pixelab, it will bring you here where you have all of these things. So to get a new background, like I said, you have to download your background from Google. All right, just go to Google, type background, and you check the background you want to download, check it out and download. So I'll go to my files now. I will go to my gallery and pick the backgrounds that I've downloaded, because before now I have downloaded my background, because if I wait till to download it here, it's going to take our time. So I've done that already. I'll simply go to my background. If you are already like I said, if you have watched the first video, then you are not going to be too confused right now. So what you want to do is to come to your background. All right, here that you select your background. Click on this place. You can see that once you click here, you'll be able to select your background. Then to select your background from gallery, click from gallery. You can see that second to the last icon, select from gallery. You click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery. All right, this is my gallery. You want to come to your gallery, you have your images. If you come here, you are going to see my images. All right, I have several images here, so I am going to choose the one that I want to use for this particular design. All right, that's what I want to choose, the one I will use. I will select this. Let me select this particular background and see how it goes. Let me select this. But then this is what we are working with. We are working with this size, so I'll select this background. I think this background is okay. Let me make a change. You can just select any background depending on what you are working on. All right, select background depending on what you are working. No, this is dark. Sorry for that. Let me select the previous one, or I can choose this. Okay, all right, let's use this and work. So now, before you start working, you must have an aim. Do you understand what I mean? You must have an aim. You must have what you are looking for. Don't just start designing from your brain. You must have like a template that you are looking out to design with, which I have downloaded one for this class, which is this. We are going to be designing based on what we are seeing on this background. All right, Everything may not be the same, but this is our watchword. This is like a model. This is what we are looking at for our design. This is what we are looking at for. All right, so let's return. So if you check this background very well, if you check very well, you are going to see something like this. All right, let's go to our shapes. Go to your shape. When you go to your shape, you get something like this. All right, you're going to get something like this. Yes, you're going to get something like this. You can see something like this. Yeah, it's okay. All right, I think we are fine like this. Let's just hold to this. Right, okay, so not good. So the next thing you want to do is to change the color. Just change the color of this. Change the color. Change the color. Change the color of this. This look like it came with it, but then let's try to get that exact thing. All right, let's go to color. We want to change. Okay, let's return here. Come here, because we are working on object. Don't forget, this is for background, this is for object, and this is for text. If you want to edit text, if you click here, it's going to take you to text, but now we don't have any text at the background. That's why you are seeing like this. So come to object. These are tools for objects. These are tools for object. If you come here, if I didn't mean we have text now, you would have been seeing tools for text, but you are going to see that as we proceed. So you are on this image now. So what we want to do, go to color. Let's change the color. Go to color. Let's just use something like, you can use a different color anyways, but let's try and use that yellow. Is that okay? Let's try and use this. This is okay. This is okay. We may not put our image right there. All right, you can see that it's not actually the same shape, because this particular shape is downloaded. All right, all this background is downloaded. All right, but then we are just going to try to achieve exactly what they have there. So the next thing I want to do is to put my writing. All right, okay, it is okay like this. So yeah, it's okay. So what you have there, you have need genuine cosmetics. So let's put the need. To write, simply go to your text. You can see text by your left hand side. Go to text. You can see when you are there, you click on edit, the second icon, you edit, you click on need. All right, that is what you have there. Don't forget, we are trying to learn from there. You click on there. The need is bold. I think it's on blue color, but dark blue. Let's see. But then let me take it to dark. This black. I need something like dark blue. Yeah. Let me see if I can find dark blue. But if not, I'm going to use. If I can't find dark blue, okay, let me leave it like this. Or I can use black. Black will be okay. You understand? Black will be okay, all right? So just choose black, right? When you are here now, the next thing you want to do, make it bold. Make your text bold, all right? Just scroll. When you scroll, if you want to bolden your text, just scroll. Go to style. Can you see style? You are on text. Don't forget, if you want to edit text, you click on this. If you want to edit objects, you click on this. You can see the difference now. Now we are on text. So you want to check out for you want to make your text bold. Come to style. You can see style on my screen. Click on style. Then you click on letter B, which is the first icon. I click on that. You can see my text is now big. All right. If you want to style, you click here, you style. You want to line underscore, you do that. But cancel it, just click only bold and continue. All right. If you want to change the font, I think this font is okay. That is what they have here. I'm going to show you the rest. It is okay. So the next thing they have here, they have genuine. So let's go to genuine. So the next thing you want to do, go to your text again, click edit, then genuine. All right, you come again, you bring it down. Another thing you want to do, you go to style again and make it bold, because it is bold there. Let's check the color. The color is red, so the color is red. So go to color, check all this icon that is on text, go to color. You can see our color. After padding, you have color. Click on color, then click on red. You can see that we have gotten our red now. Okay, we have gotten our red. The next one is cosmetics. Okay, before we go to cosmetics, let's first of all change the style, the font, because it is not this font that we have there. So from font, to change font, you see you can see that it's written there before style, before the place you have style, you see font. Before mask, after mask, you see font. Click on font. When you come to font, you see several fonts that you can actually choose from. You're going to see several fonts. This is font, this is font. Let's choose this particular one. It is not exactly what we have here, but it is related. It's almost the same, so it can serve actually. So the next thing we want to write is cosmetics. That is what, don't forget, we are looking from here, cosmetics. Go to edit, then clean it, and then write your cosmetics. Yes, cosmetics. You bring it down. The next thing, you bolden it. Go to your style again. I don't want this video to be long, so I just want to okay, this cosmetics has a question mark, so let's include that question mark. Let's try and touch the font. No, this font is okay, leave it like this. The font is okay. All right, so we need to reduce our letters. You understand? We need to reduce them. Okay, so bring it here, reduce this one again, bring it here. All right, so this is a little bigger. Yeah, it's a little bold. Okay, you can see that. So the next thing we want to do, let's put the other shape that we have. Let's go to shape. Simply go to shape. Don't forget, this is what we are looking at. Are you getting it? This is what we are looking at. Let's go to shape, go to shapes, click here. It opens up. We don't have exactly that shape, all right, but then we are going to do something. We don't have that shape. Like I said, if you don't have that shape here, you can download it from your Google. You can go to Google and download whichever shape you want to download. You can find it there. But don't worry. Okay, let's use this. Oh gosh, it will not be exact. it will not be exact what you want, but then let's just try and see what we can do right here. The exact shape is not here. But let's use the cycle. All right, let's just use the cycle that we are working with already. Okay, all right, let me just try to get what is there, though it might not be exactly, but then we can do something that will portray that. Okay, so just come to this place, bring it here. What we have here is, it has blue background, so click here, go to color, change the background to blue. All right, I think this is okay. Let's choose the first. Oh yeah, this is okay. Just leave it here, reduce it. Yeah, like I said, it's not looking like the first one because we did not download that particular shape. All right, you can actually go and download it, but this one is okay. So inside there, what they wrote there is Adira Beauty. That is actually someone's logo or something. All right, that's name. So go to your later, put that Adira. Sorry, let me delete the text. Adira Beauty. Adira Beauty is on white. So go to your color. I'm sure you are following what I'm doing now. You go to your color, change the color background to white. When you put it on blue, it will, if it is on yellow, it's not going to be clear. I believe that is why they have to put that blue background there, so that it will be clear, right? Because if it is on yellow, it's not going to be clear. So you put it there, but before that, you need to change the font. You can go to bold, go to style and make it bold. You can see it's now bold. So go to font. Let's look for a font that will relate to what we have there. I think this first one is okay. This one I choose, I think, is okay. So let's use it. Like, you may not have all this font they have, all right, but the more you grow, the more you get more fonts. You can go and download more font. All right, so this is what they have here, Adira Beauty. So the next thing is the image. All right, so right now I am going to use my image to do this, but again is that, okay, let me use my image. I don't have that particular image, but I'm going to try and use my own image and do this. To import your image from your background, whichever image you are trying to use, to import your image from background, go to plus sign. By your left hand side, you are going to see where you have plus sign. Click on plus sign. Then come down before the last one where you have draw, you see from gallery. Click on from gallery. Now it will take you to your background. It will take you to your background. Right here you can look for your image. Like I said earlier, your image have to come from your image have to remove the background. All right, you need to remove the background of your image. But all of this image here, or my image, the image that I have here, I don't think their background is off. All right, so what I want to do is to remove my background first. All right, let me go and remove my background. Okay, let's just return first. All right, let me be fast. Let me remove my background. Just wait a minute. To remove your background, you use your background remover. You can see background remover. You can watch the video on how to do that. Go to background remover. Oh, sorry, my data is off. So go to background remover. Wait, let's do that again. Go to background remover. Okay, go to upload image. Upload the image that you want to remove the background. If you don't have background remover, simply go to your Play Store and download background remover. Then open it, upload your image. If you want to understand it better, I have made a video on how to do this. You will understand it better from there. WhatsApp document. These are my image. I click on it so that the background will go off. You can see the background is going off. The background is off. You can see that. Then after removing the background, you click on download, not download HP, the main download, the one that is on blue background. Click on it and your image will be downloaded. You can see the background is off. But if you want to understand this better, how to remove your background very well, then go to the video I have created and watch the full video. So I don't want to waste time, so come back to your Pixelab, go back to your plus sign, go to your gallery, and then you can see the image that we just removed the background is here. Click on it and then click on, you can bring these things closer, but don't allow it to affect your work. Okay, I can bring this like this, then click on good. All right, it's here right now. Reduce it. Okay, but this picture is not going to fit in here. All right, the picture is not really going to fit in, but even if it will fit in, wait, let me show you what to do. Come to this shapes. Let's try and do something now. Choose this thing, right? Rotate it. Rotate. Then let's go to color and change the color. All right, let's change the color to the color we are using. Change it to yellow. Change your color to yellow. Okay, this is not the color, this is the color. I believe this is the color, so just try and reduce the color. All right, reduce the color. Okay, all right, I'm just trying to do something right now. Okay, okay, this is not okay, I think it's getting better right now. Drag it again, all right, drag it again, reduce it. All right, reduce it. Can reduce that again. I hope you understand what I'm doing right now. Okay, you can see your image is fit in. Like right now, your image, the edge cannot be traced. That is what I just tried to do now. The edge is not traceable anymore. So remove this. So that is what I've just so I can see something like a blue background also. So let's do something, but then it's not too visible. It is not too visible. Hope you understand that. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. But let me try and do something right now. Just go to your go to shapes. Pick this background. Pick this background. Turn it. Okay. Choose. Then turn it. All right. After turning it, check it to red. Let's change it to red. I want to do something. What I want to do now is not included in this design, but let me see how it goes. Don't forget, while you are designing, you need to be creative, right? You need to be creative. You can add some things that are not visible, that are not in the design. You can add some things that are not there to make sure it goes well, but you have to be careful of your colors. You have to be careful with your colors and see how it works. Now you can see that this red background now is like covering the what we have earlier, is covering the image and is covering the text. So what you want to do is to push this red background or this object to the back so that it will not cover what we have. To take it to the back is very simple. Come to this place at these icons that you have at the bottom. Just after the crop, you can see where you have edit, you see delete, you see crop, you see copy, then you see to front and to back. You can see that the other one say to front, the other one say to back. So simply tap on to back. Click on the place where they ask you to go back. Click on that to back. You can see your image is now at the back. All right, you can see that your image is right at the back. If you click to front, you can see it's at the front right now. So make it bigger. Let's make it bigger so that we can achieve something we want. Right? Okay, I think it's better like this. Is okay this way. Don't make it to be too obvious. Is okay. Yeah, it's okay. If you check here, what they use is blue background to achieve that circle, the light circle that we have here. They use blue background, but me, I use red background. You can see, because that will make it more attractive. All right, it will make it more better, because at the upper right or at the upper chambers we have a writing that has red background, and you discover that their image they use have red background, but mine has yellow background. So you just have to consider your colors. Is that okay? All right, so you can make this background to be light. If it is too bold, let's make it to be light a little. All right, to reduce the opacity, simply look for opacity here. You can see opacity. After color, you see texture. The next one is opacity. Opacity is to make your whether text or image, to make it light or to make it more clear. So let's reduce the opacity. You can see the opacity is going down. You can see that. So it's bold. So let's reduce the opacity. I think it's okay like this. Is okay like this. All right, so here we go. All right, is okay this way. So the next thing we want to do is to come to the downside. I wish this video would be very, very fast, because the time is very, very, what we need to do is, we still have much to do here. So but let's try and see how it goes. Amira Beauty Amira Beauty Store. So that's the next thing to write. Go to your text, go to edit. I'm trying to be very fast here. I think they use capital letter. Yeah, they use capital letter all through. Sorry, let me off this. Amira. Sorry. Amira. Then beauty store. I think my beauty is not correct. Amira. Yes, that's what you have. Sorry, Adira, not Amira. Adira beauty store. So drag it here. Alright, the next thing you want to do now is to change the color to white. Simply go to color. You can see color, change it to white. So the next thing is to make it bold. Go to bold. You can see that. Go to style. You can see style. Then click on bold. You can see it is bold now. Make it to be normal. So the next thing you want to do is to change the font. I think the font is not too good. This is not the font they use there. So let's just go to font. You can see font. Let's try and use something like this. I don't want our font to be so much, right? So we can use this font that you have used before. Like I said, I told you earlier, if you are making design, don't use more than 3 fonts. Don't use more than 3 fonts. Everything should revolve on 3 to 2. Don't use more than 3 fonts. Here, the next thing is for all organic skincare products. For all organic skincare products. This video is taking long, but let's try and see what happened. Go to test again. You write for, let's see, the arrangement is okay, small letter, for all organic skin care products. All right, I believe this is what they have there. For all organic skin care product, it is white. It is written in white background, but it's not bold. All right, so simply go to your color. By now you must have gotten this. Go to your color. The next thing we want to do is to change the font. All right, we want to change the font. So simply go to your font. Go to font. Let's use this. We have used this font before. Anything you are doing, just try to revolve on the font that you have used before. I think this for all organic, it's just like what they do. All right, that is what they produce. So the next thing you have there is beauty product, Mary Kay foundation, and all of that. So let's do that. Beauty products, Mary Kay foundation. Let's just try it. Let's write. Go to your test. Beauty products. I think, what do they use to demarcate it? I think, okay, beauty. Go to your this. Sorry. I think we can use this. We don't have exactly what they requesting for, but then we can use something like this. We can use this. Mary Kay. See, Mary. I think this Mary Kay foundation. I think foundation, that's what we have there. Mary Kay foundations. All right, the next one is facial wipes. So use this again. Facial, then wipes. Let me see. Okay, facial wipes, then cleansers, wipes. Then the next one is cleansers. Cleansers, I think this is what they have. Wow, it's quite long. Wow, but we are going to reduce that. It's quite long, quite long. First of all, for us to understand, let's change the color first. It has white background. Go to your background, change the color to white so you will see clearly. So alright, I just compressed everything. Let's reduce the size. Yeah, let's reduce the size. Okay, so make it straight. It's not too bold, so what I want to do, let me just go to bold and make it bold. Go to your bold, which is style, make it bold since it's small. All right, so that it will not look so tiny. All right, so just make it bold. The next one, we have whitening creams, Iman products, glow lotion. Let's write whitening cream first. Go to your text again, whitening creams, whitening creams, Iman, what is that? Iman products, Iman products. Please just try to get this. Then the next one he said is glow lotion, glow lotion. Then go to color and change the color of your text. To white. I believe you get this now. Make it straight and go to bold again and make it bold. The reason why I'm making it bold is because it's very tiny. I hope you understand. It is very tiny, so I need to make it bold so that it will not okay. I pray I end this video soon. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing is your phone number. You can go to text like this anywhere. Put the phone number. You say call, so let's put that. You can write call differently. Just be looking at what they did there. Say call. Let's put call before the next one. Go to your color. You are going to understand this better as you walk. Go to call. I can add something that is not there. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then go to test again. Include the phone number 0. I can just put any phone number. I must not giraffe what is there. Can just put 070 4048 1555. All right, I will bring it here. I will go and change the color to white. Yeah, it's okay. Change it to white. Okay, let's make it bold also. Let's make it bold. Go to your style, make it bold. Okay, it's okay like this. All right, so the next thing we have is we have email address. Said adirabeauty@gmail.com. So go to your text again, edit, go to your text again, edit, just put adirabeauty.com, adirabeauty@gmail. Okay, sorry, I have to put the gmail.com, adirabeauty@gmail.com. Bring it down. I think it is on white background, so go to your color again. Like I said, I'm trying to be fast. The video is taking long and I don't want it to take long. All right, so I just want to be fast so that we'll get through with what we have here. So just adjust this. We have included our email address. The next one is our the address, their residential address, their office address, sorry, which is number 2 Adedeji Street. I don't know, you can put whatever you want to put there, but then you must understand that. Okay, number 2. All right, okay, 12 actually. 12, delete this, just put 12, put your comma. Okay, let me try. Adedeji Street. I'm not going to write everything, but I'm trying to give you a sample of what to do. Is that okay? So just go to your color and change the color. Is that okay? Change your color to white. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. Go to your color, change it to white. All right, that's good. The next thing you want to do is the Instagram name. All right, the Instagram name. Don't forget, you really need to download all of these icons. You need to download your Facebook icon, your Instagram icon, and your other icons. All right, so I don't have them now, but very simple. Just go to your Google and download all of these icons so that you can be able to include them. Is that okay? All right, so let's do something here. So just I think this is fine. We can leave this now. You just know how to do the rest. I want to end this video right now. All right, it's taking so much, it's taking long, and I don't want it to take this long. So just arrange your work very well. Reduce this email address, is long, reduce it, just put it here, download your download your icon for your address. Okay, let me see if I can see a shape that will portray what I'm talking about. Go to your shape, highlight this. Okay, let's use this sign, let's use this arrow sign. Okay, it is white there. Okay, let's use it like that. Okay, so reduce this. All right, reduce this and bring it here. Okay, just drag it to this place. No, this is not what I want. Just delete it. It's not what I want. So, but then you understand what I mean, right? Don't forget, this is what we are looking at. All right, so everything you are designing should be based on this. Don't mind is the one at the middle. That's what you are doing. Don't mind the sideways, the one that look like gold at the round, don't mind that. Is the one that is in the middle. That is what you are designing. The other one, later, as we continue on this class, I'm going to show you how you are going to do this. All this one, you can see all this one at the side. I'll show you how to do that one, but what we are doing right now is the middle flyer, the flyer at the middle. All right, that is what we are doing. So what you are designing should be based on this thing now. So sorry, there's something I did not include, which is the background for this phone number. They gave this phone number background, so let's just try and get some background. Let me use shape. Sorry, this is not what I want to do. Let me go to shape. Go to your shape. I want to get a background for this. This is okay. Let me change the color. Go to your color, click your color, and then change the color. Let me use a good color that will be okay. Yeah, I think this is okay. This is okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. Right? So what I want to do now, like I said earlier, you can see it is covering the color call and the phone number. The place we have call and the place we have phone number is covering it. So what you want to do is to take it to the back. You can see, if you check your screen, you are going to see where they wrote to back. You are going to see to front, to back and to front. So click on to back. It's going to take it to back. You can see the phone number is now at the front. This is not actually the color they use, but let me see if I can get that same color. Let me see if I will get that color. Let me go to color again. If I don't get it, we can use the one we have. I think it's not here right now, but the one we are using is okay. Or you can even use yellow, since you have yellow at the top, so you can even use yellow, right? No, it will not be okay. It will not be too good. Okay, let me just leave this. It's okay this way. What I want to do now is to position it very well. Sorry, position it very well. Let me shift this. Sorry for this. Let me shift this. Okay, I believe you know how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, watch the first video, then you get a better understanding. I've told you how to position this in the first video. If you watch the first video, I talked about you use this to make sure your work is not scattered, to make sure your work is at the middle. That's what this does. All right, it will help me to even align this image. You can see it will help me to make sure that my work is at the middle. That's what this does. All right now you can go off that. You can see we almost have this. The only difference now we have here is that we did not include the icon, or the icon. You can see the place we have icon for email address, icon for your Instagram, and icon for your location. All right, and the reason why I did not put this is because I don't I have it right now, but because of time. In the next video we are going to be doing another design. All right, if you go here, you're going to see I have other design that we are going to do. All right, and we are going to do several other designs so that you will understand better. All right, so we are going to end this class right now. The more you watch the next video, and you're going to understand more better on this. All right, just walk around this area, walk around this app. We are going to do a lot of things, but then watch out for the next video where we are going to design another flyer with a totally something that has different concepts, so that I will be able to explain all of these icons better for you, so you have a better understanding of what all of this thing does. All this emboss, it has what it does. Sorry, you can see that, you can see the effect. All right, but let me show you something, just a moment. Stroke, go to stroke. Do you see Do you see what happened to this image now? This image was not like this before. Those white background at the corner was not there. Click on emboss. Do you see it's off? But let me leave it like that. It is also okay. No, it's not fine. Let me remove it. Okay, it's off. So don't worry, in the next video I'm going to show you how to do all of these things. Don't worry, in the next video you are going to learn. All right, don't forget, this is the end of this video. Just watch the next, continue with the next video as we progress to other things we have on designing your graphics. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you will receive notification for other videos. All right, if this video has been of blessing to you, if you have learned something from this video, simply click on the subscription button, subscribe to this channel so that you get other videos on how to design, on how to everything you need to learn more skills, how to edit your videos, how to make your design, how to become a great YouTuber, how to manage your Facebook account, your Google account, every single thing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will not be left behind. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video. All right, make sure you take action. It is one thing to watch and learn, it is another thing to practice. The more you practice, the more you get better. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.